Let's solve this new kind of question which I created from units and dimensions. This question is like you have 10 statements, and from there you need to choose the pairs which have both first statement and second statement correct, just like our assertion reason statement, but where the second statement exactly explains the first one, right? So let's move on with the questions and I'll explain how do you do it. So let's go with statement one. Thermal conductivity has dimensions of this, but how do you find out dimensions with this formula? Q is nothing but Ka dt by dx. What is Q? Rate of heat transfer. Q, heat by time equals to K is nothing but thermal conductivity. Yes, right? And with this we find out. So A is nothing but L square area. Dt is nothing but temperature. So we write it with theta. Dx is nothing but length family. So heat is nothing but the brother of energy. Ml square T power minus 2 by time is nothing but K into L square into theta by L, and L square get cancelled. T to the T to on the top mt power minus 3 and theta power minus 1 and L to this side. So ml t power minus 3 theta power minus 1, this is correct, and since this explains how we got it, the reason is correct. So 1 and 2 is correct. So 3 and this is wrong option. Torque and work have same dimensions, correct, because torque is nothing but force into the radius, and work done is nothing but force into displacement, right? So this is correct. Torque is a vector while work is a scalar, correct, but does it explain how they have same dimensions? No. So 3 and 4 cannot come, 3 and 4 cannot come, so this is wrong, right? So we are only left with B option, which is should be correct. But let's check on with the options. Frequency and angular frequency have same dimensions. Is it true? Frequency is nothing but f. Angular frequency is nothing but 2 pi f is equal to omega, and 2 pi hence is not considered in the dimensional formula, right? So this has the same dimensions of this. So nothing but t power minus 1. Correct. Angular frequency is measured in radian per second. Frequency is hertz. True. But does it explain it correctly? No, it doesn't explain. So let's make some modifications. So 5 and 6 won't come. 7 and 8, Planck's constant appears in E equals hν. Correct. H is Planck's constant. And Planck's constant is relevant in quantum mechanics. True. So 7 and 8 would come. That's correct. Let's go on with 9 and 10. More degrees of freedom in a gas lead to greater internal energy. U is nothing but NRF dt by 2. Remember, it has no roadside foot through by 2. So this is nothing but internal energy, and F is here is the degree of freedom. We'll be studying about this in the chapter heat, right? F is degree of freedom. So more degree of freedom, more internal energy, because U is directly proportional to F. It's correct. Monoatomic gases have fewer degrees of freedom. For monoatomic is nothing but 3. For diatomic is 5, and triatomic linear is 5, and triatomic non-linear is 6. 3 5 5 6. That's how you keep it in mind. And so for this greater energy, and but this does not correctly explain, so even 7 and 8 is okay, which this is the correct option.